Hi friends, in my very first video I have shared the secret to happy future. And the secret is if you want to be happy in the future, if you want to guarantee happiness in your future, then you have to be happy right now. You have to be happy at the present moment. But are you the one who is stuck waiting for the future happiness rather than staying in the present and not enjoying the present moment? Then this video is for you. Hi, this is Sharayu Sagar. I am a life and happiness coach. Friends, today I am going to talk to you about 5 simple tips which will help you to stay and make the most of the present moment and enjoy every minute you are given to its fullest. But before moving forward, let me tell you why it's very important to be happy at the present moment. Why it's very important to enjoy each and every moment of your life. Because friends, life doesn't last forever. And I don't want any one of you to look back one day and realize that you have spent whole of your life looking forward to the future rather than enjoying the present moment you were given. So let's dive into the 5 simple tips which will help you to stay in the present moment, and if you practice them consciously, then happiness is guaranteed whole of your life. So tip number 1 is make a commitment to remain present. Friends, remaining in the present moment is going to require a degree of effort and commitment. Start by spending few moments each morning reminding yourself that you need to enjoy the day for what it is and make the most of it. Now let's move to our tip number 2. It's develop a system. Friends, after making a commitment, you need to develop a system for reminding yourself to remain in the present. This could include the things such as setting a reminder on your phone to bring you back to the present moment, or setting a time block each day that you focus only on what the present has to offer. Now here comes the tip number 3. It is remain conscious of your thoughts. Friends, try to keep your thoughts positive and present focused. If you find yourself going down the negative train of thoughts or worrying about the future, then shift your focus back to the positive thoughts about the here and now. Focus your mind on the present situation and take time each day thinking about only what's going on right there in the moment. Friends, it's especially important when you are at the middle of the moment that should be enjoyable. For example, if you are spending quality time with your friends and family, enjoying an afternoon outside or doing some pleasant activity, then make conscious efforts that you remain in that present moment instead of thinking or worrying about what's ahead. Now let's move to our tip number 4. It's be aware of your surroundings. Friends, there's a lot going on around you. Pause and just take a careful look at your surroundings and then think carefully about what's going on. Are there any people or animals around you? And if so, what are they doing? Is there anything beautiful or interesting thing about your surroundings? Or are there any observations that you can make about what's going on around you? You know, friends, far too often we float through our days without ever stopping and looking at the world around us. However, it's an incredibly interesting world you live in if you will just make some effort to pause and take it all in. Now here comes our last and the 5th tip. That is, enjoy being where you are. Think about how much time you spend waiting on something. Whether it's a short-term waiting such as waiting for the bus, or it's a long-term waiting such as waiting for the promotion at work, people spend so much of their time waiting for some future event to happen. You know, friends, the best part is, according to Eckhart Tolle, waiting is a state of mind more than it is a situation you find yourself in. Meaning that you can control it. So next time you find yourself waiting for something, try not to think of yourself as waiting at all. Now let's take an example. Consider a person who is waiting at a bus stop for a bus to arrive. And if you ask him what is he doing, what would be his natural response? It would be that he is waiting for the bus to arrive. But what if his response is that he is sitting on the bench and enjoying the fresh air and also watching all the events that are unfolding around him? And when the bus arrives, he get onto that bus and carry on with his life. Just imagine what a pleasant time this person is having, just enjoying the present moment and all the things that are happening around him. instead of having the waiting mindset and spending whole of his time just staring at his watch. Friends, waiting mindset breeds impatience, and impatience breeds frustration. So friends, the reality is waiting is a mindset. To wait or not is a choice. So what do you choose? Do you choose to wait and get frustrated? Or do you choose to enjoy the life's present moment as they come in instead? So friends, this was all about the 5 simple tips which will help you to stay and make the most of the present moment and enjoy each and every minute of your life to the fullest. So let me quickly summarize. Tip number 1, make a commitment to remain present. Tip number 2, develop a system. Tip number 3, remain conscious of your thoughts. Tip number 4, be aware of your surroundings. Tip number 5, enjoy being where you are. So friends, you can use any or all of the tips which I have just explained and practice them on daily basis consciously and experience the happiness throughout your life, enjoying each and every moment as and when come in your life. So this was all about today's video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.